So I'm going to go through an example problem of learning target 523, which is finding a missing value from a set of similar polygons. So the first thing that we want to do is kind of look at our given information. And we have two quadrilaterals, and I see that I have like these three sides are given, this one's missing, and then all of these ones are given. And it's telling me to find BC, and I have my similarity statement over here. So the first thing I want to do is figure out which is going to be my top shape and which is going to be my bottom. And I typically use the shape with the missing value as the top, but you can use whichever one you would like. So I'm going to use this one as the top. So then we want to start to set up a proportion using the similarity statement. Do not use the picture because the pictures can be misleading. So use the similarity statement to set up a proportion. And we first want to start with our missing value, our BC, because I know I need to solve for that one. So I'm going to start with BC over. And then I go to my similarity statement and I see that BC is the same as XW. Equals, and then I need to go back to my top shape and I need to find a side with a length that's given to me. And so in this case I have all three other sides are given to me, so I can pick whichever one I want to use. So I'm going to purposely not choose this one because it's a decimal. So I'm going to use one of these two, and let's just go with AB because it's smaller. Whichever side you choose, you'll get the same answer. So you can, as long as it's a value that they give you, that's fine. If this was blank for some reason, we couldn't use that side. So now, again, I need to go back to my similarity statement and see that AB is the same as YX, or XY. So once you have your proportions set up, you're going to want to plug in the actual given information from the picture. So the first thing you use is the similarity statement to make this. Then you go to the picture. And so BC is our missing, which is M. XW is 2.5 equals AB is 6. And YX is 2. And so once we have everything plugged in, now we want to cross multiply and solve. So when I cross multiply, 2M equals, and then I need to do 6 times 2.5. Which is 15. And then divide by 2 on both sides to get 7.5. So that's telling me that this length is 7.5, which kind of makes sense. So if you look at like the longest side here, again, the pictures can be misleading, so this isn't always the best way, but this is the longest side, and this is pretty long. And this is the longest side. And then this is the second longest, and so we have 7.5 in there. So it kind of makes sense that like this and this are matching. And you can also see like these are about twice as long, so 2.5 times 2 is 5. So that's telling me that this is about, if I multiply this by 2, it's about that. That's kind of like a pseudo way to check, but there is an official way to check. And that's just making sure that our proportions are actually equal. So I can do 7.5 divided by 2.5, and I get 3. And 6 divided by 2, and I get 3. So I am 100% sure that this is the correct length of BC.